little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun from the playground, a slider and a swing.
Yay!
Are you excited? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's begin drawing. First, let's start by drawing the slider. We'll draw the curved lines for the sliding part. Start from the top, make a big curve, and bring it all the way down. This is the part where you slide. Next, let's add some railings on both sides of the slider. Draw two straight lines running alongside the slide to keep us safe while we play. Now, we'll draw the ladder that helps us climb to the top of the slide. On the left side, draw two straight lines going up and connect them with small horizontal steps.
La da 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 dee.
Great! Now, let's extend the top portion of the slide to create a long bar for the swing to hang from.
Yay!
Just draw a straight line extending from the top of the slide. Now, we need to make the swing stand. Let's draw two A-shaped stands at the ends of the bar to hold it up. Awesome! Finally, let's draw the swing cradle hanging from the bar. Draw two vertical lines for the ropes and then a little rectangle at the bottom for the seat. Our playground slider and swing are all done. But let's go over the lines again and make them bold and sharp. This will make our drawing pop and look amazing. Look how nicely our playground swing and slider are working together. Doesn't it look fun? Now it's time to color our playground. Let's use rainbow colors to make it super bright and colorful. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
Yay!
Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Whoa! Look at our colorful and fun playground slider and swing. You did such an amazing job today. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Don't forget to share your awesome playground drawing with your friends and family. And remember to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.